Ready? Oh, what is that in there? There we go. Ready?
All right.
Oh. Get another good grip. Both hands. Both hands.
She got it.
Okay, this is gonna take all day. Oh, look at this.
What'd you get?
Paper.
She's like, I just want the paper.
Oh, doesn't work.
Why doesn't it work?
Probably doesn't have.
There we go.
Oh, okay.
Not really.